Hello friends, myself Sakshi. This is my second video in the channel. It's all about life. How are you all? Hope everything is fine. Before moving forward, I again request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Today, in this video, I'm talking about happiness. You all have heard this that the fabled musk deer searches the world over the sources of scent which comes from itself. वो खुशबू कहाँ ढूंढता था? ढूंढता है बाहरी दुनिया में, जो कि उसी के भीतर है. Similarly, we humans search happiness in this physical world, but it lies within us. Happiness, a word with a great meaning. Our life without happiness is meaningless. In today's competitive world, we all are running towards the materialistic things. And we think when we have all the luxuries, we will be the happy person on this earth. हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि दुनिया की हर महंगी से महंगी चीज़ अगर हमारे पास है तो हम खुश हैं. मैंने बहुत से लोगों से बात की अबाउट द कंसेप्ट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, अबाउट वेयर वी फाइंड हैप्पीनेस, एंड द आंसर्स विच आई गेट फ्रॉम देम. सम सेड all luxurious things makes us happy. Others said when we minimize our desires, we become happy. और कुछ ने तो कहा relationships makes us happy. But you know, somehow all the answers of those persons are correct in their way. But the answers considered happiness not only in a sense that the true meaning of happiness is that when we minimize our desires we become happiness, we have happy, we'll be happy. Or when we have relationships, when we have good relations, that relations makes us happy. No, वो हमें प्लेजर देता है. वो रिलेशंस, वो लग्जरियस थिंग्स, वो हमें प्लेजर देता है, नॉट हैप्पीनेस. Because pleasure and happiness have different meaning. Pleasure is something we take when we have something. That something gives us pleasure. But on the other side, happiness is when we give something. जब हम किसी को कुछ देते हैं, उसमें हमें खुशी मिलती है. लेने में हमें pleasure मिलता है. So, search happiness inside you. Because if you can't be happy in your home, you can't be happy anywhere. And moreover, you can't make people happy associated with you. Few days back, I heard a great talk of one of the follower of ISKCON. He very well explained the concept of happiness, that where we find happiness, by giving a very beautiful example. किसी एक घर में एक पार्टी चल रही थी and all the people were enjoyed a lot, have drinks, tasty food, delicious food, gossiping, everything is going around there. Suddenly किसी एक इंसान ने उस पार्टी के ओनर की लेडी से क्वेश्चन पूछा, Is your husband make you happy? And everyone's shocked कि ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है. बट कहीं ना कहीं सब रिलैक्स थे कि उस लेडी का आंसर येस होगा, बिकॉज शी हैज़ एवरीथिंग इन हर होम. ऑल दी थिंग्स जो ज़िंदगी में जीने के लिए ज़रूरी हैं, शायद उससे ज़्यादा. एंड हिज हस्बैंड, हर हस्बैंड ऑल्सो डूइंग अ वेरी गुड जॉब, अ वेरी गुड ह्यूमन बींग. बट यू नो वॉट शी आंसर्ड? शी सेड नो. My happiness does not depend on others, even not on my husband. This is the answer she had given. So, the crux of this example is our happiness is totally our own responsibility. We should know what makes us happy, where we find happiness. हमें खुद को ये पता होना चाहिए कि हमें किस चीज़ में खुशी मिलती है। हमारी खुशी दूसरों की मोहताज नहीं है। We find happiness within us. Then only we circulate those happy vibes to the person surrounding with us. In today's world, most of the people are doing art of living course and even go to meditation centers to do meditation for relaxing their mind. You know what they teach? To love yourself, to know yourself, to recognize your body, to recognize your own self. Why? Because when you know yourself, when you know your, you know, when you love yourself, then only you spread those vibes, those love to the environment, and the aura of that environment automatically convert into cool, calm, and peaceful atmosphere. तो अपने आप को जानिए, अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट को जानिए, अपनी लाइकिंग्स को जानिए, अपनी डिसलाइकिंग्स को पहचानिए। किस चीज़ में आपको खुशी मिलती है, इस ज्ञान को समझिए। आपसे बेहतर आपका वेलविशर कोई नहीं है। आपकी खुशी किस में है, आपसे बेहतर कोई नहीं जानता। तो नो योर ओन सेल्फ, लव योर सेल्फ. Thank you so much. So, what we realized from today's talk that we should always be happy. For that, we should know how to make our own self happy, how to love our own self. So, friends, hope you like this video. I'm sure if we start functioning and realizing our own self, we definitely find happiness within us because it's nowhere outside the world, it is within us. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time for listening my video. Do take care of yourself and your loved ones. Keep smiling, क्योंकि हर मर्ज का इलाज नहीं दवा खाने में, कुछ दर्द चले जाते हैं सिर्फ मुस्कुराने से. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. I'll be coming soon in my next video on some other aspects of life for leading a balanced life. Till then, bye. Thank you so much.